everybody, Baby Slots. We are on Dragon Train. The major is $727.76. Fortune 8 is $1,320 and the grand is $12,853. We're gonna start with $1, $3 lines because I'm going slow and low today, so I'm only gonna do a couple here and see how this is. See if we can get a bonus out of it. But if it's not doing anything, we're dropping it down. Showing a couple of symbols. That's not bad. Problem here is there's only 3 lines, so if you don't hit anything, you pretty much not gonna get money back. All right, one more here. All right, let's go down to 10, and let's do 250. Oof, we want the train. I've never gotten the train. That is on my bucket list. But for now, I will take any bonus and hope for a train to be in that bonus. Come on, one more. We got it. All right. 10 cents, 250 denom. Mini is 100, minor is 500. Let's try to get the train in these free spins. All right, are you ready? Let's go. Yes, come on, 2 more, 2 more. Yes, we got it. Yes. And there's a $25 ball in there, so this is awesome. All right, 10 cents was the winner. Oh, this is the first spin. Please, 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 can we get a dragon? Come on, Dragon Train. I say dragon, but I mean train. Let's go. All aboard, baby. All right, come on, train. $10, that's good. Come on, baby. Okay, come on, let's go, train. Okay, save it. Train. Oof. That would have been so awesome. But I'll take this. This is good. First spin, so let's see if we can get this again. Awesome. 87.50, that's not bad at all for first spin. Let's keep this up. I'm gonna let it add up. When I am in a bonus, I don't like touching the machine when it's like that because, I don't know, it's that superstitious part of me that doesn't want to mess up the bonus sometimes, and this is one of those times. This game is hard to get bonuses on, I think. Well, the good part is we put in 100 free play, we've got down to 66, and we're pretty much already gotten our money back, so that's good. Come on, ooh, okay, ooh, that's good, that's good. It's a nice little hit. Not up top because it's not 5 of a kind, but come on. Let's see if we have 2 spins left. Let's try to get the gold balls. I guess that's what they're called. I don't even know what those are. Does anyone know? Come on, gold, gold, gold. No, we got kings, 5 of a kind, I think. Yeah. Didn't go up top though, so it's not like big, but it's good. Come on, gold. Yes, come on, one more. We just need one more. One. Ah, we didn't get it. Bummer. That's all right. Not bad. 135 bucks. I'll take that. All right, got up to 200. We'll do some backups. All right, I think I'm going to change denoms. That's not a bad hit. Not all our money back, but some of it. I like to see the activity. There we go. Three more, come on, three more. Mini. I have to do another one now that I've seen that. All right, let's try 5 cents. And let's do $1.25 and $2.50 here. Come on. Ooh, there we go. See if I can get it. There we go, that was nice. Come on, 4 more. Ooh. 3 more. Ooh. That wild symbol, that gold guy, makes you think you're getting the balls, but you're not. Come on. Let's go, Dragon Train. Ooh, 3 more. Ooh, that's a good one. Kings and aces. I'm gonna stay here on $1.25. Come on, 3 more. Oh, did you guys see it? Look, we had 2 chances. We had the balls or the free games. Almost. This is how they lure you in, the almost bonus. Ooh, almost got the bonus again. Come on, Dragon Train. Come on. Oof. Wish those wilds were in the front so I at least got a line hit. All right, this might be teasing. I'll do a $2.50. I'll go between $1.25 and $2.50 and see if we can get something. One more. Yeah, it went by. $1.25 seems to be the one that's doing the most action-wise. Come on, 2 more! Oh, that was so mean. It went by. And it gave us the train. We almost had the train, guys. Just want that train one time. Just once. Just once. Come on, 4 more. Got some kings and aces. Come on, let's get a bonus. Stay on $1.25 until we get to 100. Then I might go to 2 cents, but I might move on. Let's see if we can get a bonus before we hit it. Come on, 4 more. Come on. Oof, look at those wasted wilds. One more. Dang it. Come on, one more. Oh, it went by again. A little something there. Just 4 more, come on. All right, well, let's try 2 cents. There's $1, $2, and $3. Let's try that. The low bets like on each denom seem to be the ones that showing the most action, so I'll stay on $1, I guess, for a little bit. Come on. There we go. A little something. Anything over a bet I'm happy with getting back. 3 more. Oof. That darn wild guy. That gold just throws me off. Come on, 2 more. Yeah, we got it. Look at that. All right, now is it train time? Let's go, Choo Choo. Let's go. Let's get the train. Now these are all 2 cents. $1 bet. Mini is 20. Minor is 100. $728.90 for that major. And that would be awesome if we could hit that. Oh, come on, save it with anything. Oh, it didn't even give us 1. That was sad. Here comes our win. Yeah, 16 bucks. Puts us back over 100. Man, it is a bummer when you don't get any extra balls after you get the bonus, but it did give a lot right away. So I'm not going to complain. Let's try some $2 bets. Ooh, see, I'd rather, that's a bigger set there of the gold. 1 more. Oh, it's right here, right there. Oh, come on. That's mean. $3 bet. Oh, come on, 2 more, please. Look at how big those numbers were. Man. Oh, 1 more. Ugh. Ooh, there was, oh, look at that. The train's on there. That's $60 ball. Come on, 4 more. At least we got a line hit. It didn't give us our bet back, but give her a bet back. Almost. At least we're getting little line hits. $1.80. Alright, there's a good line hit. Maybe our bet back. Oh, 3 more. Come on, 2 more. Teasing hard on this denomination. Look at this. On this bet anyway. 210. Come on, let's get a bonus. Alright, I'm gonna ladder bet. I'm gonna do $1, $2, and $3. And you always hope that you hit it on the big bet. But right now I'll hit it on any bet and be happy. Come on. Alright. A little bit of money back. Almost the bet back. Ooh. 2 more? Yeah, we got it. Okay. Phew. These are really small, but I'm hopeful that we hit the train or the major because of it. That'd be awesome, right? This is super small. Like, this is like $1 and $2. Oh, come on, give us anything, please. All right. Ooh, mini for 20 bucks. All right, that's good. Ooh, there we go. That's is that $4? Yeah. All right, keep it going, baby. Save it with 1, please. Keep going. Nah, alright, not bad. Let's see what the win was. At least we got the $20. The 20 320 so you quit. Thank you, Minnie. Let's see, it's the lowest bet. 34 bucks. Not bad. Alright. Cool. I'll do a couple of backups on this one. That was a nice hit. I'm serious. These the lowest bet on each denom has been the most active, but I mean I haven't really played one more. I haven't really played the upper bet amounts, but I'm liking this. One more. Shoot, low denom hits like that. Makes it a little more fun to keep playing. There we go. Didn't even get them bet back. Alright, I'll do a little bit of ladders. We'll do 1, 2, and 3.